Hi guys, how are you? Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon. One of the most dramatic events for any smartphone user is when you accidentally erase photos and video files. Recovering them is not an easy task, especially if you erased them a while ago. The reason for this is that the space they took up will be written on again with new files. Disk Digger is a free app that makes erased file recovery simple and easy. It works on Android devices, although to get the best results, you'll have to have a rooted tablet or smartphone. Go to Play Store and search Disk Digger. And download the Disk Digger. And open the application. And tap Start. Click Allow. This application is very easy, useful, and workable. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel and press bell icon and never miss any update.